9 times 58 equals to 14 times 58 minus 58 minus 58 times how many? Okay, so for this one, see, over here, right, we can tell that there are 9 sets of 58. Here, there are 14 sets of 58. Okay, minus 58 here is 1 set of 58. And minus how many more sets of 58 for it to become 9? Okay, so 14 sets minus 1 set, left 13 sets. 13 set must minus how many more sets of 58 to become 9? Okay, so you just take 13 minus 9, that will give us 4. Okay, so you need 4 more sets over here. So therefore the answer is 2. 4 sets of 58. Okay, so just to recheck, right? If this one, the answer you put as 4, this one is 1, this is 14, right? See, 14 sets of 58 minus 1 set of 58 give us 13 58. 13 sets of 58 minus 4 more sets of 58 will give us 9 sets of 58. Therefore, the answer will be 2. Okay, done.